It's our Saturday school. Me Evan. Jairus.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hey, yo. Hey, what's up, guys? Want to see action? It's me. Inda.
Derek.
Hi.
JM.
You're back. Introduce with the mask.
Donnie. You're regular.
Hi Manu. Hi vlog. Nag-vlog ka na naman Manu, no?
Gabe. Hey. Gabe. Gabe. Hi. Good job. Hello. Daniel. Yeah. Kamiya. Video. Okay. Richard. Ganda na. Hey, hi. Prince. Manu. Malika. Hi. There. Nice costume. Wow. That's nice now. Zayan. Hi, Simon. Yeah. And yeah. I know. Kelly. Say hi. Kelly. Hi, see you. Marvin.
Manu vlog.
Magandang umaga din po sa inyong lahat. Aking pong karangalan na ibibigay yung kanilang mga napanalunan sa aming mga ginawang palatutunan ng Agosto ng 22. Solomon,
Daniel!
karangalan James Christian Catilpil, at ang ikatlong karangalan ay si Prince Noel Gutierrez.
Yay! Yay! Yes! Woo!
Okay, good job James.
Ang susunod, mula sa Our Lady of Mount Carmel,
I know you're
unang
here.
karangalan, Jody Nakensi
Yeah.
Cruz.
Go! Yay!
Ikalawang karangalan, Derek James Javier. At ang ikatlong karangalan, Audria Luis Sinakpang.
Go Audrey. I know.
My bestie!
You can do it, Denise. My bestie, other Denise.
Yes.
My bestie.
Ang susunod naman ay mula sa Our Lady of Peace. Unang karangalan, Denise Lorraine Teves S.D.
Yay!
Go bestie.
Ikalawang karangalan, Peter Josiah Taglain. At ang ikatlong karangalan, Jairus Nelo Abogado.
Jairus!
Want to do finish? Wanna?
Ang susunod naman ay mula sa Our Lady of Guadalupe.
Guadalupe!
Unang karangalan, Brandon Lee.
Sander, my pencil.
Ikalawang karangalan, Kevin Baluyot. At ang pangatlong karangalan ay Marilyn Shantara Pastrana.
Yay, Maria!
Adria, congrats!
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Get your medal!
go sa high school. Tignan mo.
Here's it, Manu.
Oh. I'll see you.
Magic eating, my gosh.
Congrats, Gia. Yay! Gio, come on! Yeah, don't be shy. Come on. Please, please. Here we go. Congrats, congrats. Yes. High five. Whoa. Screaming. Grabe. Dave. That's all for now. Happy Saturday weekend.
Saturday.
Bye-bye.